Okay, next job, we did a kitchen already in this lovely house. We've got the wardrobes, lots of wardrobes to fit. Just look at this, quite a few wardrobes. We've got like a 1, 2, 4 bedrooms, I think. Okay, let's go and check. That was the kitchen we did. Okay, so this section over there, we have a drawer unit there. That's a nice bathroom. It's done. Okay, that will be bed. It's all done here. So that's lovely. That's one of the rooms. So basically we cover everything from wall to wall, from floor to ceiling. Next bedroom, that's the next bedroom. It will be like a L shape with like a little computer desk. It's a lovely house, lovely countryside, lovely house. That's a bedroom, next bedroom. That's a bathroom. Okay, so let's do it. And we've got the section upstairs as well, but that's doing carpets now. So, okay, not bad. Everything's inside now. Not everything, but most stuff. Table saw, chop saw go there, so everything's ready for the job. Them unit going upstairs, but boys still doing the carpet, so leave them. But I'm gonna show you the ground floor now. Shoes off because boys doing carpet, brand new lovely carpet. Okay, so that's everything inside the room now. And that's everything inside the room. Yes, lovely jolly. So now this unit go in there, cover, little desk, and that will be done. Same like this section, cover, that will be done. Little unit there, plus units upstairs. Hokey pokey. Okay, so it's not bad, it's step by step, progress. So we've got the wardrobes, that's ready. That section is ready. That section is ready. End panel over there. Now is a small unit there, it's like a little computer desk, so worktop goes straight across. And that's it. Oh, and after we have to cover all straight to ceiling and cover bottom section, but the lights going under the plinth as well. So that's what I want. No problem, step by step. Beautiful weather actually today is such a nice day. Okay, so progress. I'm gonna show you what we've done. Actually, it's not bad. It's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, what we've done. So this section is in position, everything. So we finish this section tomorrow. Look at the wooden frames. That's a lovely job, actually. Okay, so that's... We've done all these sections. That's quite a few units, actually. Done all this section as well. So that's not bad. We've done them 2 sections. Tomorrow we have to finish upstairs, 1 room on the ground floor, and we're done and dusted. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what we've got upstairs. Lad's been doing carpet today, so that's a bedroom actually. That's a nice bedroom. And we've got the section there. So it's wardrobe going there. Now will be wardrobe. There's a toilet here. Nice little bungalow actually, it's lovely. Yeah. Nice view. Yeah, so we will finish everything tomorrow and I will show you everything step by step. How to fit the kitchen, how to fit the wardrobe and then the joinery tricks, all the best. All wardrobes done. That's done. We have to just cover top and bottom. Little drawer box here, drawer unit. And same, all this done as well. So that's done. Little computer desk, 2 shelves, plinth, pelmet on top, done. Have a lovely weekend. And this unit as well, we need just top and bottom section.